strong like it's the rap though. Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. Run it up. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending on the back like here I go again. Outside says the chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma make, keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like
Come on. Straight
Yo,
back,
you
straight
got a
back.
little pet spider.
Keep
Come on your boots. Underneath your boots.
This way, Tiny.
No, it's not tall enough.
Wait. Perfect, dude. That was awesome. All right. Oh no. Right there.
No, go.
Hell no. Stop.
Look how much it moved. That's like a solid another 10 feet.
Okay. Pull like 3 feet forward and then angle it so it goes back.
No. Just go straight back.
Okay. Keep on going.
I am not hitting you.
Oh.
That is such a big gap.
Why are you listening to Carter? That's like fourth. Is that not gonna be fourth gear? Like,
I don't know. That's a gap though. I don't know.
I'm
Right there. Hey.
No, don't keep coming.
No, that's good.
I'm not doing that.
A little
Look,
scary.
just imagine. Okay.
I'm not jumping.
I know, think about this. The distance isn't bad, but you're gonna go so high.
That's like, yeah.
I'm not jumping that.
And you are.
Carter, you're gonna die. Carter, you're a little ass.
It's not that big.
Go to the top.
Where you land?
This is pretty big. It's not that big. Okay, we'll back it up like 2 feet.
No, you see. I'm not jumping this.
Oh no.
Okay, I'll back it up a foot.
Yeah. Now he's scared.
It pops off. Right there. Right there.
No. Go one more foot.
Jace, if you want to be good, you got to do things you don't want to do.
Quote that. Put that in video.
What would we do without you?
Don't break the hitch. Don't drop it.
You broke my heart, Tanner.
What?
Watch, Carter, you wise one.
Oh no.
What did I say? You guys are retarded.
Let's just add some dirt.
No, do not add some dirt.
Get off of it.
I am a wise one.
Now we jumped it.
Okay,
Oh no,
come.
it needs to go this way a tiny bit.
Wait,
That's what I'm
Jace,
saying.
that's perfect.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, because remember.
Look in my camera angle.
Go look from the top.
Look. Oh no. Don't drop it. Don't drop it.
Those logs, dude.
Don't drop
Move
it.
the logs.
No.
They're in the way.
They're not in the way, I swear.
No, you're just saying no.
Miller, what are you?
It needs to go back this way.
I know.
I learned a backflip at Miller's house the other day. Watch out.
Oh no.
Down there?
Oh
Yeah, I
no.
learned it on Miller.
What the heck?
Was that good?
No.
Leave
me alone. Stop. Carter, I'll put you back in jail, Carter. Carter, I'll put you back
Carter
in jail.
got raped at the jail.
Oh,
What kind of boat?
we need to dig a hole where it goes.
Get the digging, Tanner.
Pick it up then.
Oh, you're so accomplished.
It's touching the bottom right here, dude.
No, it's not. It's
It's
hitting.
supposed
to.
It's hitting the hitch on the front. I can feel it bend over it.
So
That's
when
why
you
we
dig
had
out
that
right
big
here,
ass stick right here. Look. That stick.
Oh!
The stick needs.
Stop. Listen. 2x4 there. 2x4 there.
We've been doing this for.
This is better than Carter's idea. Someone put that up. We put that there, and it'll be perfect.
This is for
Loud noises hurt my head.
Miller.
And I wait.
Yeah, I love you. Yeah, I love you.
And I waited. Wait.
Please stop.
I want to jump this before it's.
You said you weren't gonna hit it.
Shut up for a second. Help me. You.
That made it worse. I have an idea.
I need to crank this crank.
No, don't crank
Way.
it. No, stop. Don't crank it. We don't know what that does.
Yes, I do. My dad.
I see what it's doing, but I don't get how it's doing.
So you don't have any idea what's going on in the world right now.
Yeah.
Doesn't take a rocket scientist to
Called you a bitch.
Get the bat out of here.
Only if I brought the other truck.
I think the hammer's our best bet.
So basically,
Wait, we gotta get you.
Tanner, right here's Dean.
so
Probably Miller.
Probably we haven't showered for 3 days.
Why?
That's disgusting.
Can't
make the baseball team. No. Still need more dirt.
We figured it out. We just put sticks in front of it. See?
I just need another.
How much more dirt?
But like it will do. It'll pack in.
Are you gonna hit this, Carter?
Yes, I will. I don't know about tonight.
You don't know about tonight?
I hope.
Hey, video.
No, I'm thinking so. I'm thinking. I know.
You're gonna what? Well, is that pier wiggling? I'm nervous, bro. I don't know if I'm gonna do this.
I don't know. Well, I guess we'll see how they look.
If someone crashes off it, I'm done. I'm not.
Yeah.
But if Tanner's greasing it, I'll do it.
I don't put it on the ramp.
No, put it over.
Yeah, because feel this.
It's still metal.
Tanner, how fast do you think, bud? Faster than, like how much faster than?
What are we thinking?
I don't know.
I got money busting out the money clip. They can call it money lit. Busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Yeah. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quid. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep up. He hit it?
Yeah, he's hit it like four times. He cased the crap out of the first one. Got us 2 of them, and he just freaking hit. Front tire right there.
Dude, this light's.
Hold it a bit more.
I hate waiting.
You think we got it?
Yeah. Did it look cool?
I'm nervous.
One, I stuck my leg out a little too much.
Yeah, and the case, yeah, but other than those 2.
I don't know how to say it on a 250.
You think third gear or second?
Probably third. I did third and I went on the bar. But that's me like barely getting good volume.
10 keys to a 20 quid. I got money busting out the money clip.
Oh my gosh! Dude!
Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing that. Okay, I'ma hit the 20 off the laptop. In a Zoom meeting, making money is my backdrop. Ballpoint, baby, slip, all it in a snapshot. Flew out my baby, told her rub me like a wet cop. I've been doing roll on the go, get it back and flip it, that's for sure. It's a show, that was never talking about it. Turn it down and go get you some money. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quid. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on coming in. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quid. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on coming in. Eyes on the money, my brothers got my back. Streets moving funny, so I been holding strap. Not playing defense, we been on the attack. Plotting and scheming, how we gon' get it back. Designer all on you, but you can't buy the swag. No Miris, those foo-foo, I can see the tag. You can bet if I spendin' this, cause I get it back. I'm 5G, your dollar, I can see the lag. All I ever wanted was to have it all. Got close, never froze, had to risk it all. As a little boy, I wish I was a little tall. Never made the league, I found another way to let me ball. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quid. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep it coming in. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quid. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing in.
I never got it, working have to go. I guess this world's too slow for you. I think there's beauty in the gray, the cold, but you just want the gold. And there's no way I can beat it, 'cause I got no chance, no chance when it comes to her. She got the glitter.